Hi, I'm Paul from the Baby Barn. We've just taken the new Britax B-Grow Tex out to the car and had a play with it, fitted it, and I love it. It's great fun. You've got some really advanced technology with this seat. Got a very ergonomic seat for the child, no matter their age. So this will take a very young child. Pretty much the instruction book says 6 months, but in reality, the child's shoulders must reach the line that's indicated before they can go in the seat. Now, they say that it'll take a child up to about 8, and that's probably about right. Another safety feature it has is advanced side impact cushion technology. Now that's deployed by basically feeding this out. This is against the side of the vehicle, so in a side impact it's going to protect that seat and the child within it from that side. You have another piece. The top here, same deal. Basically this comes quite a ways out, and again in a side impact that's going to provide a lot of protection for the child. So you only need to deploy the side where the side of the vehicle is. When you're not using it, obviously it's folded away, like so. Now, as you saw, as the child grows, it's really simple to move the harness up, so the child's shoulders are always below where the harness is coming into the body. Now, another really good feature with this is, as the child can stay in this seat till generally about 8, obviously the crotch position is going to really need to change if possible. So that's done by accessing a button here, which you can push to push the crotch piece out as the child's growing, and it's got 4 set grades, as you can hear that click. So it's a very, very good feature. Now that locks back in again, which brings us to the really good part of the seat is how it fits. You're not using ISOFIX and you're not using a gated buckle. This is their patented Clicktight system. So you press this button after twisting it all the way in. Now the seat belt is going to feed in through this very obvious yellow area here, run along underneath and behind the child, obviously come out the other side, out here. You click it in. You're going to pull it as tight as you can get it here. You're going to pull the slack up into the pillar, and then all you've got to do then is press that down firmly, and it's locked in. At the back, you simply tighten up this tether strap where it goes to, so this is firm here, so it's held firmly there, it's held firmly at the base. Job done. Coffee, champagne, and that's set in very flush to the seat. So now you've got a nanotechnology covering over the top of the thermo-5 fabric. So the thermo-5 fabric is a charcoal bamboo weave of fabric, and on top of that is the nanotechnology material. So essentially, if you spill something, it just runs off. So pretty much that's a really good feature for anyone who's got kids and knows what they do. So basically that's a very, very good feature. That's just with the Tex version of this seat. There's a couple of versions of it, but this is the version that the independents have. Now you've got different adjustments. So obviously for a newborn, not newborn, for a young child, you're going to want it laid back. So you've got the lay back position like so, using this piece at the back here. Obviously as you're getting older, you've got upright, so that's going to be appropriate for that child. So it's very, very simple, user-friendly seat. It's deceptively simple, with a lot of technology in it. Yeah, we're a big fan. Again, I'm Paul from Baby Barn, and I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Are we good? Okay. Hi. Start again.